People ask me, who taught you all these things? I smile. Life did, nature did, and every step I walked led me to the one true Father. I was not born knowing everything. Life became my teacher. The sun rises every morning. The rain falls on every land. The birds sing without worry. The rivers keep flowing. Nature speaks every day if we choose to listen. I looked around, I watched, I listened. I learned slowly. I came to know the one and only true Father, the giver of life, life himself. The little I've seen, the little I've heard is more than enough confirmation. No one can tell me he is not real. Every breath I take, every new sunrise, every beating heart points back to him. Life was not always easy. Many days I walked alone, many nights I cried in silence. But every struggle left me with wisdom. Every pain taught me something, every mountain made me stronger. Now I understand hard times can build a better person. Don't hate your journey, don't throw away your pain. Sometimes the hardest road leads to the greatest truth. Look at the trees, look at the sky, look at the sea. Everything has order, everything has purpose. Nothing happened by chance. The little I've seen, the little I've heard is more than enough confirmation.